Here are the word meanings for Unit 1 3 questions. First one is listen to, means pay attention. Council means a group of people choose to give advice to the king and make rules. Third one is instead, it means beside. Fourth one is wisdom, which means a body of knowledge and experience. Fifth one is hermit, which means saint. Sixth one is greet, means welcome. Seventh one is pitied, means look pity on. Eighth one particular, means certain. And ninth one is purpose, means object. So in the comprehension check, here are the question answer. First one is, why did the king want to know answers to the three questions? So here the answer is, the king wanted to know the answers to the three questions because he thought that he would never fail in life if he knew the answers to the three questions. The second one is, messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. So here are four options for it. You have to choose the right option from these. First one is to fetch wise men. Second one to find answers to the question. Third one to look for the wise hermit. And fourth one is to announce a reward for those who could answer the questions. Mark your choice. So the right answer is to fetch wise men. Third one, complete the sentences by adding the appropriate parts of the sentences given in the box. So here in the box, first one is, but the bleeding would not stop. Second one, to answer this question, but the answers were varied that the king was not satisfied. And fourth one is, follow strictly. Fifth one, to help the king act at the right time. So first one is, many wise men answered the king's question. So you have to choose the right option and fill this blank. So the right answer is, but the answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied. Second one, someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men. And here the answer is, to help the king act at the right time. And third one is, someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable and follow it strictly. Fourth one, the king requested the hermit, and the answer is to answer three questions. And fifth one, the king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound, but the bleeding would not stop. So now in the working with the text, here are the short question answers. First one is, why was the king advised to go to the magician? The answer is, according to some of the wise men who came to answer the king's three questions, the king needed to look into the future to decide what is the right time to begin, and only magicians could do that. So this is why the king was advised to go to the magicians. The second question, in answer to the second question, whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? And answer is, in answer to the second question, some wise men said that the advice of the counselors was the most important to the king. However, some wise men said that the priests were most important. There were two more answers to this question. Some choose doctors while some choose soldiers. So in the third question, what suggestions were made in answer to the third question? And answer is, there were three suggestions which were made in answer to the three questions. Some choose science, some choose fighting, while few others choose religious worships. So in the fourth question, did the wise man win the reward? If not, and why not? No, the wise men didn't win the reward because their answers were varied and all were equally wise. So the king was not satisfied by the response as he got confused by them. And fifth question is, how did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? The king and the hermit removed the bearded man's clothing. After that, they found a large wound in his stomach, from which the blood was flowing. The king washed the wound and covered it with his handkerchief in order to stop the bleeding. So, however, they didn't work. So, next, the king redressed the wounds. Then, the bleeding stopped. After a while, the wounded man regained consciousness. He asked for something cool to drink. The king brought fresh water and gave it to the man. So, this is how the king and the hermit helped the wounded man. Sixth question. First one is, who was the bearded man? And answer for it is, the bearded man was an enemy of the king. The king had once seized his property and also even put his brother to death. Since then, the bearded man had sworn revenge on the king. Second one, why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? So the bearded man decided to kill the king when he would come back from the hermit's hut. However, a lot of time had passed and the king wasn't back yet. So the bearded man came out of his hiding place and met the king's bodyguard, who injured him. So the bearded man ran and came to the king. However, instead of punishing him or leaving him aside, the king helped the man, even though the man's aim was to injure the king. So this made him realize that the king is the good person. So this is the reason why the bearded man asked for the king's forgiveness. Seventh question, the king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? So answer is, the king forgave the bearded man and even promised him two things. One, he promised that he would send servants and his own doctor to look after him. And second, he promised to return the seized property to him. He promised these two things in order to show his forgiveness. And eighth question is, what were the hermit's answers to the three questions? So write each separately, which answer do you like most and why. So the first question was, what's the right time to begin something? So according to the hermit, the right time to do anything is now, which is also known as present. So it's the most important time, as it's the only time when we have the power to act or begin something. The second question was, who should we listen to? According to the hermit, we should pay attention to the person we are with, as no one knows what will happen in future and whether we will meet anyone else in our entire life. So the third question was, what's the most important thing for us to do? According to the hermit, the most important thing is to do good to the person we are with at the particular moment, as that is the particular reason why we were sent into this world. So now working with the language, you have to match items in A with the meanings in the list B. So here they are given here. So first one is wounded. Wounded means severely injured. Second one is awoke, means got up from sleep. Third one, forgive, means pardon. Fourth one, faithful, means loyal. Pity means feel sorry for. And sixth one, beds, means small patches of ground for plants. And seventh one is return, means to give back. So now here are the answers, and use these any three of the above words in sentences of your own. You may change the form of the word. So write any three. So you can choose any three words and write in your, and you have to make sentences of your own. So here are examples for it. You can also write by your own. First one, as I was playing in the woods, I got wounded. Second one, Sita must have awoken now. Third one, I hope that you will be able to forgive me. Fourth one, dogs are said to be the most faithful creatures on earth. Fifth one, I pity the poor and needy. Sixth one, the gardener hasn't prepared the beds. Seventh one, I will return the book to you soon. So now in the second question, each of the following sentences has two blanks. You have to fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of the words given in brackets. So first one is, the judge said that only fresh evidence would make him change his judgment. So the word given in the bracket is judgment. So you have to change it as judgment. Second one, I don't notice any serious difference of opinion among the debaters, although they differ from one another over small points. So here the noun is differ. You have to write it in the verb form as difference. So it's third one, it's fairly simple question to answer, but will you accept my answer as final? So fourth one, it's not necessary that necessity should always be the mother of invention. Fourth one, hermits are wise men. How they acquire their wisdom, no one can tell. Fifth one, the committee has decided to make Jagdish captain of the team. The decision is likely to please everyone. Sixth one, asking for forgiveness is as noble as willingness to forgive. So here end this chapter. So write all these in your notebook. Have a nice day.